A very warm welcome to all my dear students to the class of mathematics. Today we will discuss chapter 2 numbers and number name part 3 for class 5. So let's begin with this chapter. So in this chapter we will do some questions. So our first question is write the number shown on the abacus in figure and words. So we have to do two things here. First, we have to write the number in figure, and second, we have to write the number in words. Now we can see here at ones place there is 1 beat, at tens place there is 3 beats, at 100 place there are 4 beats, at 1000 place there are 5 beats, at 10,000 place there are 2 beats, and at lakh place there are 3, and the last one that is 10 lakh, and at 10 lakh place there are 2 beats. So we will write a number by counting the beats. Now the number will be 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. Now in words, we will write this number as 23 lakh 25,431. Question 2. Read the following from the table and write in figures and word. Now the numbers are given in the table. We have to read it, write this in figure and words. Now there are two parts of this question. The first part number is 4 5 0 9 3 1. In part B the question is 7 4 0 7 0 6 5. Now we will form the number by using the place values. The first number is 450931. We will write this number as 4,50,931. This is according to Indian system of numeration. First, we have put the comma after the 3 digit. This we have started from the right side. First after the 3, then after 2. Because the first period is unit period, or you can say ones period. It ends after 100. The second period is 1000. It ends after 10,000. And next is lakh, and the next will be crore. Now the B part is 740765. Now we will put the comma starting from the right side after the 0, then after again 0. This number in words will be written as 74 lakh 7,065. Question number 3. Write number names. Now there are 3 parts and we have to write the number names. Means we have to write this in words. So before writing this in words, we will put the comma so that it is easy to write this in words. So we have put the comma first after 3, then 2. So in words it will be written as the first one 7,63,634. B part 27,60,952. C part 1 crore 25,85,895. Next question, build the number which have. Now we have given number, different number, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 19,000, 407 months. Now we have to form a number from these digits. Now A part is, now for writing this we will first write down the periods and then the place values. Then we will start writing the number. First of all, there is 2 crores, so we will write 2 in the crore column. Then 3 lakh, we will put 3 at lakh place. 5 tens, we will put 5 at tens. 19,000, 19 in the 10,000 and the 1000 place. Then 400, we will put 4 in the 100 place. And in the last 7 months, so we will put 7 at ones place. Now similarly we will do the B part of this. 24,000, 2 at 10,000 and 4 at 1000. Then 31 lakh, 3 at 10 lakh and 1 at lakh. Then 500, 5 at 100 and 5 at tens. Now there is nothing for ones, so we will write 0 at ones. This is how we can write the number in words. So that's all for this session. Thank you all. Hope you all understand the concept.